magic. In a garden bright and sunny lived fruits so sweet and funny. Every morning they stretch and say, let's get ready to dance and play. Apples red and full of cheer, he spins around and shouts, I'm here, with a hop and jump so spry and neat. He grooves and moves to a bouncy beat. Bananas yellow, long and bright, he moonwalks left and twirls to the right. Let's all wiggle side to side with fruity fun we just can't hide. Here comes Mango, golden and cool, dancing fast like a spinning whirlpool. He flips and flops and does a slide with juicy joy, arms open wide. Now join together one by one, dancing fruits are having fun. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, this fruity beat just